Hello everyone, this is Chandan from Rising Academy and let's jump into a new topic about high level. Today in this video we are going to learn how to use the funnel AI to build a beautiful website and landing page or a complete funnel within just a few seconds. So let's dive in. A complete website landing page that we will build with the help of high level AI. Now, first of all, what you can do is log into your HighLevel account, then come to sites, and then you'll find this funnel. Now, here you can go ahead and start building a new funnel, or you can create a new folder and put it inside that. For example, I'm going to do it now and inside a folder. So there are three ways to create an AI funnel inside your high level account. First of all, you can see this is the new button that has added up recently after the summit that says build with AI. Now, if you do that, you will taken to directly inside like a built-in page where you can build your own design with AI. Now, as we are doing it inside folder, it won't let us to do that. It will drop the entire funnel outside the folder in your root folder or funnels, right? We don't want that. Now, if you click on new funnel, again you have this funnel AI option, but it will do the same thing. It will drop or put the entire funnel outside this folder. We do not want that. We want to create a funnel that stays inside this particular folder and with the name that we provide. Otherwise, there would be generic names like AI Funnel Builder 1, AI Funnel 2, like this. Let's call it AI Funnel for business coaches, right? I'll click on create. It is the same way we have done so far for all the pages, all the like landing pages or funnel pages or anything. So we'll be creating a new page here. Let's call it home, and path you can leave it blank, or if you want to be structured, just put a keyword in here. And click on create a funnel step, and it will create the blank canvas for us like we always have. You can either go with edit or edit in a new tab, just the way I prefer it. Now let's wait for a couple of seconds till it loads up. Alright, so here we are. First of all, you'll see this is a new interface for this page builder. To get in here, what you need to do is there are three ways. Blank section, it will randomly create a blank section at the top. Insert element, you can drag this rows and put elements in there, or generate with AI. Once you click on that, this AI tab will open up. Again, you can click on this ask AI and it will do the same thing for you. Now again, there are two options. One is the assist, which is the basic version or very simple way, or the build, which comes with prompting, right? So in assist, you can easily call the name of the page, business niche. You can like choose from this entire list, and goal you can choose from like whether it is a webinar, whether it is a opt-in or anything as such, or like calendar booking or something like that. Target audience you can choose, or what are you offering, that too you can choose. So based on what you have chosen, the AI will build a complete page based on that. Now moving to the build, which is the prompting thing I was suggesting. So here they have given you three options already, pre-made options, or you can write your own. Alternatively, what you can do is you can click on this tab and choose these elements from here. Now, what I will do now is I will click on this text box and start typing. So, create me a lead gen funnel page for my ebook. I'm a business coach and I want to generate more prospects, or let's say and more leads using this funnel. My offer shall be my offer is to give away sorry is to give away my ebook. Please prepare the content and the ebook cover for me. The tone of voice shall be professional and helpful with empathy. The header shall um, there shall be a H1 followed by subheadline and my primary color is, let's say, this one, and secondary color is this one. Alright, so I'm done with my prompt, and let's click on the send message, and we will wait some time. I'll be running the timer on my phone to see how long it takes. Alright, so it is now created, and let's check how long it took. So it took 3 minutes and 20 seconds in total to create the entire page for me. Now you can see all the information that it has added, and let's skip that for now and let's check it together. It has this logo section at the top and then the navigation menu. That's great. The colors, although a bit off, but that's fine. Now it has added the banner section and as I mentioned that to add H1, H2 and this subheading content and the ebook like CTA. Then we have this mock-up of the ebook that looks really great, and then we have this trusted by coaches and consultants. This is looking great. All that's completely fine. What you'll gain, they have completely created all the content for us. There is no lorem ipsum or anything. How does it work? That's really nice. Wow. We have a set of a bunch of testimonials here and about the coach, like me, whoever will deliver this entire like system, like the ebook or anything. So we have the FAQ as well, and at the footer we have privacy policy terms and conditions and contact page link. Then we have the contact links like email. Then we have the phone number, address, social media, and the copyright. So let me know how you like it. Now let's review the phone version as well. Sometimes what happens is if the mobile version is not optimized separately, it looks really pathetic. But now, as you see that it looks really very optimized. In terms of AI, I expected it to be a little messed up, but that's completely different. They have optimized both the desktop and the mobile version, which are looking great. So that's all. They have created only one page. For the other page, you have to utilize AI again or design your own design based on entire look you have in here. You can continue that. I hope that was helpful. That was all about this video today.